Today's topic is sensitivity and specificity. Sensitivity and specificity are test criteria. These are uh, performance measures of a screening test. So screening test we usually use for diagnosis purpose. So the screening test result can be four type. I'm going to use a 2 by 2 table to show you these four results. Okay, the disease present, disease absent. Here, screening test result. This is positive result, negative result. So what the screening test results are positive and disease is present, that is true positive. The what the screening test result is positive but disease is absent, that is false positive. When the disease is present but test result is absent, this is false negative. When the disease is absent and test result is also negative, this is true negative. So this table actually help us to calculate sensitivity and specificity. We are going to discuss that a little bit later in following section. The sensitivity is the proportion of truly diseased individual detected among a population screened by a screening test as true positive. Sensitivity is the proportion of truly diseased individual detected among a population screened by screening test as true positive. So sensitivity formula is true positive detected by the screening test divided by true positive plus false negative. Okay. Now we go for the specificity. Specificity also is the proportion of truly non-diseased individuals detected by a screening test as true non-diseased person. Okay. So the specificity formula is true negative results by screening test divided by true negative plus false positive. That's the specificity formula. Okay. Okay. Suppose we are screening a population of 1,000. Total number is 1,000. By screening test, we determine that 80. Okay. Okay. Let's say yeah, 100 people are positive, so remaining 900 people are negative. Okay. So, but as we know, the screening tests are not 100% sensitive. So these 100 people who are positive, this we don't know for sure how many are the true positive and how many are the false positive. That is the total true positive plus false positive, right? So after that screening test, we used a suppose we used a gold standard test. Okay, gold standard test are something that will detect true positive case 100%. Okay, suppose. So by using gold standard test, we know that total number of positive case among this 1,000 is 200 is our true positive. And so 800 are true negative. Okay. So therefore, now we are going to calculate the sensitivity and specificity of our screening test, sensitivity of screening test. Okay. So the sensitivity screening test result was 100. So now we matched the results from the gold standard and screening test result. All the positive we match, and we found that 80 out of 100 positive case are positive results are true positive by screening test. So 100 minus 80 equal to 20 are false positive. So the sensitivity definition is sensitivity we can measure. It would be the true positive result detected by the screening test divided by the true positive result, actual true positive result. Okay, that is 200. So by doing this calculation, we can find the result as 40%. So our sensitive test, our screening test is only 40% sensitive. Okay, screening test. If we want to know the specificity, our specificity of screening test, we know that true positive is 200 from the gold standard test, true positive, sorry, true negative. But from our screening test, what we found is 20 is false positive and 80 was the true positive. This 20 false positive is also basically that was negative that we didn't able to detect. So how many true positive we detected by this test? Okay, our total true negative was 800. 800 was that was from the gold standard. So we know that out of this 800, we can minus this 20 false positive result, which is 780. That's the true negative result we detected by the screening test. So the sensitivity would be, specificity would be true negative, that is 780, divided by the actual true negative, which we received from the gold standard test. So now we try to get the percentage. If 780 divided by 800 equal to 0.975 into 100 would be it is 97.5%. So our test specificity is 97.5%. So that's the total discussion today. So screening test, when it is a highly sensitive test, that would have less specificity. Similarly, very highly specificity, the test which has high specificity usually is less sensitive. Thank you, and I will discuss further in the next section. Thank you.